Hey, welcome back to Working Class Customs YouTube channel. Welcome back once again for the final time with this bike to Stable B. Today we are filming part, I want to say 4, could be part 5, but it's delivery day, right? So got this bike done. Buddy we did it for is literally on his way over. So we're gonna get his initial reactions, let him ride it around real quick and then walk him through everything we did, because not a certified mechanic for one. For two, I wouldn't say this bike is anywhere near like complete. Didn't do like a full rebuild, right? There's still some rips in the seats. There's some other little things that I need him to be aware of, but it's definitely rideable, definitely street worthy, street legal. It's track worthy once we get some newer tires on there. So gonna get his reaction on it. Let him ride it around and then he'll take it home and we won't have it anymore. So if it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for being here. If it's not your first time, welcome back. If it is your first time, I recommend checking out parts 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4. We'll find out. We'll have some links up above us and down below in the description, or you can go check out the, what are those things called? Playlist for these videos. Please click the subscribe button down below, throw a like on the video, and then leave us your comments. Let us know what you're thinking. I don't have a whole lot for you to comment on this video, but hopefully we have a good reaction. So let's check it out and see.
See her. See her, dude. Oh yeah, she looks way cleaner than what I brought her to you for.
Has it been too long?
Has it been too long?
Yeah.
No.
Nah, not too long. Start it, dude.
She neutral?
Should be.
Yeah, she is. Yeah. She looks good. No F1 warning, nothing?
I haven't warmed her up yet, so I'll let her warm up.
No, dude. She sounds way better. Side lights work? Oh yeah, that looks awesome.
Calm down. It is cold. I've had the heater on to try and kind of help.
Oh, dude.
What do you think?
Dude, she's nice. Everything works on her. Oh, there she goes. Getting warmed up now.
Starting to come down and idle. She should idle down. I set your idle right at like, I think 1400, 1300. Obviously you can adjust that if you need to.
Yeah. Oh man. I saw the JK Moto sticker that you put
like
on
that?
there. Yeah.
Not too bad. Yeah, that one, it does have working class up under there. A little harder to see, but
That's fine. You clear coat over it? Nice.
yeah, they ain't coming off.
Nice. No, that looks good.
You can flip it if you want. It's early enough.
Yeah. I'm like a little kid again, dude. I haven't heard that in a while. 109 right now? Oh god, she's so nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just imagine what a new exhaust would do to her.
Yeah. Yeah, honestly. Yeah, that should be your final. Yeah, right under 1500. We got to talk about this. That shouldn't be like that, but I'll tell you about that in a second.
Alrighty.
Once we turn it back off.
Oh, she's nice. I can't imagine what yours sounds like now.
Anyway, all right, let me walk you around real quick. So, got no check engine light, no nothing. Neutral still works. I've gotten it up to 3rd gear so far, 4th, 5th, 6th. I don't know, but it should be fine. You know all the parts I replaced. The only like issues you have right now on this side right here, there's no fairing bolt.
Okay, that's fine.
That is, I did everything I could to try and like stretch them together and get a bolt in there, and they were just not lining up. So I was like, well, maybe when it gets a little warmer, bring it back over, see if we can get it to kind of stretch a little more. But these are aftermarket fairings all the way around, so I think they just weren't built the best. Your mirrors still need tightened. They're a little loose, but you do that after you set them where you want them. This tail seat has just this little cable guy connected to it. You seen that?
Yeah.
And then in the tail, if it'll come out, which I haven't really messed with this thing much. Oh, it's because you do it from the back. Cool.
Oh, yeah, that looks way better than it did before.
Yeah, so I got new plugs here. These are labeled not only left and right with an L and an R. You also have your orange and blue tape on there just to keep them separate. This plug, I have a light for you that'll go in here.
Okay.
I just got to figure out how you want it. It's that guy right there, and it's not quite wide enough to stay on there. That'll be for your license plate. License plate brackets are in a bag. I'll give those to you. But that's that wiring harness. Should
way
be much
nicer.
much cleaner. Yeah.
Way nicer.
And then turn signals up front, obviously, are both new. I think on the left side, it's hard to see because they're actually the harness is pretty well hidden. But the left side is like the original plugs, which I have. I don't have them sitting out. Why are you following me? You're not supposed to be doing that. Whatever. Anyway, they're the original plugs. The other set is not. It's a new plug from Amazon, but they both work. In the Hot Bodies instruction right here, it says, may require additional resistors when using a non-stock rear turn signal. So this is non-stock rear turn signal, obviously.
Yeah.
And your turn signals are on right now, and I believe that's because of the resistors, but they do both work, front and back, on the left, and they work on the right. However, on the right, the left stays on, but it stays on solid. So like legally, you're fine.
Yeah.
So if you want to just roll with that, I think you're fine doing that. They're on all the time. Kind of looks a little weird back here because it's just orange and red.
Yeah.
But
that's fine.
Whatever. The brake lights back there work. However, you pull the front.
Not as much.
So need a new switch in there. I told you about that. Trying to think of what else. Yeah, I got your idle adjusted, and then I've got the fuel pump harness reconfigured to factory. I didn't end up lengthening it, so if you ever pull your fuel tank off, just know that. But the one coming out of the fuel pump is like plenty long enough.
Okay.
And your old fuel pump is over there, and we'll take a look at that in a second so you can see what the issue probably was. So, got any questions on it?
Nah, dude.
Sweet.
Well,
Well,
nice.
you want to go ride it, or are you thinking maybe another day?
I want to take it around the block.
All right, cool. Yeah, we'll get it wheeled out, and we can go do that. First ride. Just kidding.
Dude, she is so much nicer now.
Make sure your your kickstand's up.
Yeah,
Like
I just
said.
felt it.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. does kind of have a second bite point. That's weird.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah.
Running, gotta get back in the light, All right, hey, just wanna say real quick, this is his first bike. Ridden dirt bikes before, so I'm not just completely sending him out in the wild without any riding experience, I promise, that would be insane. But first bike, he's gonna get back and we're gonna get his initial thoughts. So hopefully he's enjoying it, he likes it. The goal is that he's gonna go to the track with us later, so be looking for that footage as this comes out. We'll come back, we'll get some initial thoughts from him.
Yeah, I feel that weird double clutch that you're talking about earlier.
Yeah, the almost double bite point on it.
Yeah.
Well,
but dude, that was fun. That was fun.
beyond that, what else?
Oh man.
What do you got?
Yeah, she shifts really nice. The throttle response is way quicker than I messed with on this bike because I could tell that I had it messed up. Because I had first gear, once I barely touch it, you're going.
Yep.
And it's only a 600, so like.
Yeah, well, it's a super sport. They're meant to go.
Yeah.
I did a little bit of research on it. The F4i is definitely the predecessor to the RR.
Yep.
So this year, they had the RR in production. Then you look at 04, and the F4i is just like completely changed. Not even the same bike at all. So.
Yeah, I saw that whenever I was like looking at it because I saw F4, I was like, huh, I never heard that. So I looked at it and it was like, some of the things they changed was like even like the handlebar.
Yeah.
The way they like mess with that and the steering on it, so.
Yeah, they probably flopped the fork upside down too. I think that's around the time when they went to inverted forks. So.
Yeah, but no, she was a blast. I just took her around and she gets up and goes pretty casually.
Oh yeah. Well, you excited? You happy?
Oh yeah, dude. I can't wait to be riding this.
Yeah. All right, cool. All right, well, it looks like we got a happy customer, maybe.
I'm very happy.
Very happy?
Yeah, that was a blast. Can't wait to start riding more.
Oh yeah, you gonna come to the track with us?
Yeah.
All right, good. So one, a happy customer, and two, we got another track rider out of it. So hopefully he enjoys this out on the street. We get it out to the track, get him out to the track, which is one thing, probably do a video on that. And then two, I'm definitely gonna take it for a few laps, let you guys know. We're building this list of, cheap bikes for tracks and track bikes and whatever, and what's the best one out there. This one definitely needs to be tested because it is, as we kind of already mentioned, the last of her kind before they switched over to the 600 RR. So important to get that info on it.
Yeah. Compares.
Anyway, hopefully you guys liked the rebuild. I think it was only 4 parts. I don't remember if it was 4 or 5, to be honest with you.
Around there, yeah.
But
harnesses, yeah. Fuel pump.
If you liked it, great. Please throw a like on the video. Once again, subscribe to the channel, stick around, go check out the other parts of the video if you haven't, and we'll see you guys next week.